Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and clean contacts. This prevents wasting time. Remove buds and inspect the case LED. If dim, plug into a known good 5V/1A charger. Once done, open the case and wipe both gold contacts with a 70% isopropyl swab because oils block current. Make sure the cable seats fully and try a different outlet to rule out wall power. These quick checks separate simple fixes from deeper hardware issues before you proceed. Once initial checks pass, reset the earbuds to refresh charging logic. Hold the pairing button about 15 seconds until the LED behavior changes, then repair to your device. Make sure firmware and Bluetooth settings show the earbuds correctly because software can prevent charging recognition. If one bud fails, inspect and slightly realign the contact spring inside the case. This restores pressure. For stubborn contact issues, a very small dab of conductive paste can bridge gaps, but use minimal amounts to now complete the process by fully charging the case and buds for 30 to 60 minutes and then test actual runtime. This confirms a successful repair or exposes persistent faults. If problems remain, methodically swap cables, try a different charging case if possible, or pair with another phone to isolate whether the cable, case, or buds are at fault. If charging still fails, note exact LED patterns and behaviors, and pursue replacement parts or a refund. Those details speed up support or vendor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.